Ashley Blagan, and the career that I researched for my career profile for Family 150 was a foster care case manager. And this is something that I was interested in because growing up I knew a couple different foster families, and I just love seeing how they could change those children's lives who needed more love. The work environment for this job is that they will work normal hours, like an 8 to 5 job, but then it also includes an on-call part of the job that rotates between the different people in the office. So some weeks you'll be on call to be available to talk with foster parents and answer their questions, be there for support, and do anything else they may need help with. Some stressors of this job would be dealing with adoptive families and birth families and children with behavioral issues, and then also those crazy work hours on the weeks that you're on call. Some benefits, I couldn't find any health benefits or anything listed online, but I'm sure that there are agencies that provide that. But I think the biggest benefit that I would receive if this was the job that I had is knowing that you are helping to make these children's lives better, to keep them safe. There were a lot of job tasks listed online. So some of them is to help with supervision of the foster care treatment teams, supervising the foster placements, keeping up with state rules and regulations, and making sure the files and documentation that is in the system are up to those codes. Make sure all documentation is done that the documentation is in the right families folders. Participate in service meetings and complete paperwork and documentation that is necessary for placement work or for placement for the children. Visit each home at least twice a month. And then, of course, there may be times to visit more, especially when you're on call, if you go visit those times. And the times on call when you visit, and any other time you visit, you have to document every visit you go to. Serve as a liaison, facilitate and develop each client's ISP, maintain communication with foster families, to provide supervision, encouragement, support, and intervention where it may be needed. Some other job tasks are participating in the admission process, providing training and consultation to foster families, monitors and reviews parent documentation, assists in the annual reviews of foster parents, reports any non-compliance, participates in a shifting on-call schedule, as I said before, attend team meetings, stay current on all required changes, and assist with training new staff and interns. The educational requirements for this job is that you need at least a bachelor's degree in human sciences or a related field, so marriage and family studies. Have worked with children with emotional and behavioral problems for at least 2 years, and be at least 21 years, and have some requirements like computer skills, oral and written skills, and organization skills. A starting salary of this kind of job is about $26,000, and it goes up to around $70,000 a year. And then just miscellaneous information is that this is a field, social work is a field where it's growing all the time, and they're always trying to find better ways of making the system better for the families and especially for the children. So that was my career profile for foster care case manager. Thanks for watching.